How are you guys? Just thought I'd bring out our stage 3 Commodore package out on this beautiful sunny day today. Haven't done a walk around on a Commodore for a little while, and I just like the colour, like the look of this car, and it's come up brilliantly. So I just thought we'd do a little bit of a walk around, show you our Streetfighter stage 3 package today. Okay, let's have a bit of a look under the bonnet. Okay. So as explained, this came in as a pretty much standard VE Commodore. It's an L70, what do we got? An L76 engine, meaning this one's got the AFM driver on demand. It's the AFM delete, so it deletes the cylinders as you drive. So this is that version engine. Customer requested a stage 3 package, a Streetfighter stage 3 package. Now what that includes is a choice of one of our cams. So we have 4 levels of cams, or 3 levels of cams, 1 level of race cam. And he's opted out for our stage 3 Streetfighter camshaft on this one. So he's got a Streetfighter camshaft, a full exhaust system, full OTR intake, which is the cold air intake with all the infill panels and the fascias there. So it just gives it that nice look. And then custom tune on dyno. So just on the individual items. So the cam package, as I mentioned before, you can have a choice of stage 1, 2 or 3 cam. We generally like to suggest the stage 2 cam as our performance street cam, which is gives you all the power down low, all the power you need up top, and between stoplight to stoplight, absolutely no lag whatsoever. So there's no power ramp on it. It's just linear torque the whole way. So really true performance for the street. Customer wanted something a little bit lumpier, and we just advised him it's starting to get towards a bit of a race cam, this one, but he just wants that real aggressive attitude at idle. So he opted for our stage 3 Streetfighter cam on this one, which sounds fantastic. You'll have a little bit of a listen with our exhaust in a minute. Now that camshaft package, regardless of which one it is, comes with twin row valve springs, chrome moly push rods, all the gaskets, all the oils. We replaced the front cam gear with some ARP high strength bolts. We replaced the front harmonic balancer bolt, and then it all gets put together professionally with all your oils and all the fluids needed. So that's the cam package. Then we've got our over the radiator air intake. That includes the main part of it, which is the air intake. Takes air from the front grille. This intake scoops just below that radiator support there, and it's got a bit of a scoop there, and it will take air from the front grille, scoops up straight into the engine. And also when the bonnet's shut, there is a bit of an ability to take air over that little grille area. So you can see the 2 little snouts there. They look like crocodile nostrils there. Just take them over the top of the grille area. So through the front grille, over the top of the grille. As the name suggests, over the radiator. Radiator is housed underneath as normal, directly into the engine. Just gives you that sound and that extra gulp of air that you need when you do a big camshaft or a camshaft. That's accompanied by some trimmings, some beautiful fascia trimmings that make it look better than factory actually. And we just cover up the infill where the old airbox was there with an infill panel. So it's all finished off beautifully. So that's the over the radiator intake. The cam we've spoken about. The exhaust. Now this is a Streetfighter exhaust. If I can just get you over here, Mark, let's just have a look down under here. We've got some ceramic coated headers. They look chrome. We'll have a look on the other side as well. Now those headers look chrome, but it's actually not chrome, it's a ceramic coating. That coating will take all the heat away from the engine bay. Keep the whole area nice and cool, under control without creating too much heat there. And that allows for spirited driving for more extended and longer periods. All right, so obviously that's our headers. There are 4-into-1 header. You've got a choice of either a 1 3/4 primary or a 1 in 7/8 primary. Now, we generally opt for the 1 in 7/8 primary headers, either on a big camshaft like this one, or on a supercharged package. But for all other purposes, the 1 in 3/4, being the smaller header diameter, is great for just your upgrade exhaust and tuning style of package. Obviously, you're not going to be able to see the rest of the exhaust, but it's our full stainless steel Streetfighter exhaust, made out of 304 grade stainless steel, high grade stainless steel, high quality, all mandrel bend. It's a 3-inch diameter all the way through. And there is some criteria we demand on our Streetfighter exhaust systems, which we believe make them the best sounding exhaust available for the Commodore range. Those criteria are, firstly, a fantastic external note to be accompanied either with a camshaft, without a camshaft, or with supercharging. Secondly, and for me, as I'm getting a little bit older, most importantly, no cabin drone, no resonance. So a comfortable cabin ride without that droney noise in your ear, just that nice cabin drive. I want to be able to drive interstate with this vehicle, and with our Streetfighter exhausts, you can be sure to do that. So we put in the biggest resonators on the market. We developed a spiral louver core within our resonators, and those spiral louvers are scalloped, so to catch all the resonance and bring it into the packing. That goes a long way to stopping drone in our Streetfighter systems, and also the packing that we use in our mufflers as well, and our internal muffler design. So we've got great external note, no drones, meaning cabin comfort, and obviously third criteria is they need to perform. And with tuned length, tuned firing order headers, 3-inch mandrel bend system, which is a straight-through system, you're getting the premium performance from this as well. Just going to the back of the exhaust. You can see every Streetfighter exhaust system is fully stainless steel, and we don't compromise on anything, even down to the rear, the exhaust tips. We utilise our stainless steel, polished stainless steel, so they're not chrome, they're actually polished stainless steel, twin skin, 3.5-inch tips, which fill that space nicely. Just fill it to the right proportion. The twin skin is utilised to have the heat coming from the inside. The outer skin is to protect your bumper bar, so there's no problems in damaging your bumper bar on an extended spirited drive. So that's our quad tips, 3.5 stainless steel. So there you have it, folks. That's our Streetfighter stage 3 package, utilising a stage 3 cam. It's available from Streetfighter Workshops Australia and New Zealand wide. Have a look on our website. We've got all our contacts on there. Have a look to see who's the closest near you in your area. You can have this package as you see it, as you hear it, with a choice of stage 1, 2 or 3 cam, fitted somewhere near you, dyno tuned, custom tuned, and you too can be driving a Streetfighter VE Commodore.